Guys, we got break number 4 coming up now from Series 8 Hit Parade Autograph Basketball Jersey. Trying to pull that Jordan out of here. It's eluded us so far out of the first few boxes. Let's see if we can do it here. So box number 64 out of 100 in this series. So we just pulled Porzingis. We pulled Oscar Robertson last weekend. So it's Jordan time. So every spot's going to give you 3 random teams. So Rick, you've got 6 spots in this. Donnie's got 1. Aram, you've got 1. Tony's jumping in on this with 1 spot. And then Josh B, you've got 1 spot as well. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the teams, see who's going to get the Chicago Bulls. So we'll take the list. Let's randomize it 5 times. All right, so every spot gives you 3 random teams. Let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So Aram, you've got the Jazz, the Kings, and the Bucks. Donnie's got the Trailblazers, the Warriors, and the Timberwolves. Josh has got the Spurs, Celtics, and Pelicans. Rick, you've got the Cavs, the Magic, the Nuggets, the Suns, the Clippers, the Heat, the Nets, Sixers, Hornets, Rockets. There you go. You got the Bulls again. See if it'll pay off this time. You've got the Pacers, Grizzlies, Pistons, Hawks, Raptors, Mavericks, and Wizards. And then, Tony, not bad. You got the Lakers, the Knicks, and the Oklahoma City Thunder. All right. Number 64. Hopefully this is it. Good luck, guys. All right, it is not a Chicago Bull Jordan jersey. Number 55. So we'll have to see what team this is. Maybe Sacramento. It's going to be a Jason Williams. So PSA authenticated. There's the auto right there. It's a Mitchell and Ness jersey, so it's a nice one. Dude, that's sweet, man. Super thick, nice jersey. It is going to be the Sacramento Kings, and Aram, that is you, man. Second Mitchell and Ness jersey we've pulled out of here. The Oscar Robertson last week was. It's a sweet looking jersey, man. Tag still on it. Really nice. All right, so we'll get that folded up. And Aaron, congratulations, man. We'll get that in the mail to you tomorrow. So no Jordan tonight. I'll try to grab, we'll see about doing a couple more boxes of that. Try to grab one before they sell out. Hopefully we'll strike gold on some of these. So appreciate you guys jumping in for break number 4.